and it's pretty nasty back in here. It's just a board across the front and then a board for it to rest on. You can put your chainsaw there. Today, I'm tackling a job that frankly I have been putting off because this is the last area that I've yet to clean. And it's pretty nasty back in here, so I'm going to tackle this today. So once again, I will be putting on the mask.
Propane stove. Not stove, but heater. Move that. Is the little nuts husks, and it's actually the lizards that bring those in. So there's something coming in from the roof, it looks like, right here. It's all the way down. And then there's like a puddle of it at the bottom. I have no idea what it is. So I'm trying to wipe it off. Is there a plug in here? Well, that's interesting. There's a light. And no electrical outlet. Alright, well, it's an extension cord.
today's kind of a miscellaneous day. I'm just cleaning up and doing some of the projects in the garage and in the electrical room, but I wanted to show you this. I saw this online. Can't remember whose YouTube channel, but it's just a board across the front and then a board for it to rest on. You can put your chainsaw there, and it's like super easy to just lift it right out. You just lift it right out of there like that. And it's hard to do with one hand, but because it's heavy, but that's what it does. It's pretty cool.
Oh, great. Okay, well, take my mask off on here.
Ugh. Oh, I love it when I get the mask off. Look at that. That looks so much better. We'll see how long it lasts, because I think that the rodents are getting in through that corner, or the one back over there. Anyway, I always catch them back in this corner. So, and there's a ton of sand underneath that little lip, so I don't think it's sealed very well. I also think we've been having some leakage up here, and then whatever that is up there. But hey, looks a whole lot better, and I've got that box up off the floor. I mean, I think there's enough space around these that we won't get the nesting thing going on as much, although they might decide to nest in these boxes, but it's way better than it was. So I think we'll call it good.